If you want to take macro photos on OPPO Find X9 Pro, then it is actually really simple. Once you open the camera, the phone should automatically detect the macro mode, or that you're trying to take a macro photo. Over here on the left side, we can find this flower that indicates the macro mode. So when we have this flower, we should be able to easily capture a photo of a small subject. Of course, in addition to that, you can use zoom, but you want to be careful to not use it too much because you might actually lose the focus, or image might have just a bad quality. Now, besides that, over here in the upper right corner, if we open the settings, we have the macro shot option, which allows you to adjust the blur, of course. And also over here on the left side, we can adjust the focus, but in my case, it seems that actually using the standard automatic macro mode is just much better, at least from my experience. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.